What is up, guys? This is Olivia with the Writing Communication Center, here to let you know that we are still here to help you with all your writing needs. Now, you'd normally come to the WCC for an in-person session, but since that's no longer an option right now, I'm going to show you how to make an online appointment. So what you need to do first is go to utc.edu/WCC. It'll take you to this page. And what you can do is either click this one or this one. Make an appointment. I'm going to go ahead and log out real quick. So if you've never used the WCC before, you need to register for an account. Make sure you use your school staff or student email address at utc.edu or at mox.utc.edu. The rest of it's pretty straightforward. Just keep in mind that your password must be 10 characters or more long. That's something that trips some people up. So let me go ahead and log into my account. That's me. And you're going to click the available schedule, book a real-time online consultation. Log in. No thanks. Now keep in mind that all of these times are in Eastern Standard Time. When you book them, just keep a reminder on your phone that this is something that happens because you may think that these are, your time zone, but they're really Chattanooga's time zone. Just to let you know. So in order to book an appointment, all you need to do is click on an empty white box, not gray, not blue, not red, white. And it's going to take you to this page. What you're going to do is type in your UTC ID, but for me, because I'm logged in, it's already me. And these appointments usually last about 45 minutes, but they're booked for an entire hour because it's an online appointment. There's some tech stuff going on, and so you may need that extra 15 minutes to get all your tech stuff set up. And so these are 1 hour in length. Here's my little bio. And then you just answer all of these questions, English 1010, education 2010, whatever have you, course instructor. They're usually on this list. If not, type it in. Mr. Spaghetti Noodles is my instructor today. Enrollment status, what type of assignment it is, all this stuff, none of the above. And how confident you are, all of this, all you have to do, create appointment. Your appointment should say green at the top, the appointment was saved successfully. And so when yours pops up, it will be red because I'm a worker here, mine shows up as yellow. And so in order to join this, all you have to do is click the box that has your name on it. And it says start or join online consultation. It'll take you to this page. That's me. So you'll have your own face and also have your consulter's face. So maybe me, maybe another person. But this is how you make an online consultation. Bye.